Did you know that the birth order plays a huge role in the Igbo culture, especially within the nuclear family? Your birth position determines many of your responsibilities, privileges, and even how you're addressed. For example, the firstborn daughter, the Ada, is generally considered the backbone of the family. She's highly respected, especially in her mother's absence. Traditionally, when she marries, she'll join Umuada, which is a powerful group of women who influence family and community affairs. Equally as important is the firstborn son, Diopara. He is the guardian of the family's heritage, and in most Igbo societies will inherit the father's properties, responsibilities, and titles even while his father is alive. He is essentially next in line to lead. And we can't forget about the younger siblings. The second daughter, often called Olo, and other daughters play key roles in household management. Daughters are highly valued, not just because of their contributions at home, but because marriage brings a lot of wealth to many families. The second son and many other sons act as a safety net. If the Diabara cannot fulfill his role, then the next son steps in line. And the last-born children, while they don't have any fixed roles, they're often the ones expected to take care of the aging parents. So, where do you fall in your family's order? Is this just an Igbo thing? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to follow us for more Igbo and African culture content.